A very good morning, one and all. Today, once again, I appeared before all of you, and today I have decided to discuss with all of you regarding some part of grammar. So called is a direct into indirect, from direct to indirect. In single word, you can say narration. Dear students, there are 7 sentences, such as you can say assertive, either statement. Number 2, interrogative. Number 3, imperative. Number 4, optative. Number 5, exclamatory. Next, negative, then positive. But only 5 sentences are used in narration, from direct into indirect. So today I want to discuss about assertive sentence. Either you can say statement. Assertive sentence, for example, Ram said, inverted comma start, I want to read this book. Again inverted comma close, full stop. This first part is called reporting verb, and second part is known as a reported speech. So dear students, you say Ram said, Ram third person singular number, inverted comma, I want to read this book. I has come for Ram. Ram belongs to third person. So how can you change into indirect? Ram said, and you have to remove inverted comma. Ram said that, in lieu of inverted comma you have to write that. Ram said that he means Ram. He wanted to read, this will be changed into that. He wanted to read that book, full stop. Now this is literature. And before that, it was a part and parcel of grammar. Second example, he said to his friend, I want to give you this book. Ram said to his friend. Ram and his friend both is singular number, third person. If you find Ram said to his friend, said to will be told. Dear students, generally people commit mistake in grammar. They can speak, they can write, but unknowingly they commit so many mistakes, grammatical mistakes. If students, if we people do not have clear concept regarding grammar, knowingly, unknowingly, we commit mistakes, and the sentence gets vitiated. Everybody dislikes what nonsense you have written. So here, Ram said to will be changed into told. Ram told his friend that he wanted to give him this into change into that. He wanted to give that book to him. So such type of example of assertive sentence. Simply you have to keep in your mind the inverted comma is removed by that. See, direct, direct speech always lives in past indefinite. And in direct speech, direct reporting verb always you will find in past tense. A reported speech sometimes you will get in present tense, past indefinite, past continuous, like that. There students commit mistake. He said, he said in inverted comma, I wrote a letter. He said that. Now reporting verb reported speech in past indefinite. So Ram said that he had written a letter. Past indefinite will be changed into past perfect. And generally people commit mistake. Ram said that he wrote a letter. That is totally wrong. And same sentences generally people commit mistake. So Ram said, once again I am telling you, Ram said that he had written a letter, not wrote. If you find reported speech in past continuous, for example, Mohan said, I was reading a novel. Now, reporting verb is in past simple past and reported speech in past continuous. Mohan said that he had been reading a book. He was reading a book, but it will be changed into past continuous. So certain mistakes knowingly, unknowingly students commit. Generally, such mistakes I had seen students can write, कॉपी भर देता है, but almost all sentences are grammatically mistake. They are mistaken. So unless and until we people know grammar, we cannot write correct English, correct sentence. And for Indian students, grammar is the backbone of the language. So my dear participants, my dear students, ladies and gentlemen, you must support, like, and prescribe. Thank you very much. Tomorrow again I will appear before all of you and I will discuss regarding interrogative sentences. Thank you very much.